today is Saturday, and guess what? So Bailey's sister is having this activity where they're doing a car wash. And then now, this Chunkosaurus here is gonna go to every dirt road and go to his sister's activity or the car wash. So yeah, I will show you guys later on what will be the jeeps look like. So basically we're just doing yard sailing, and then we're gonna go to every dirt road after in the middle of our yard sailing. So yeah, see you later, Summer Rain. And I'll show you guys the jeep for now. So hindi siya masyadong dirty yet, but we'll see later. Alright you guys, so here's the first dirt road that we're going to. So good luck, Summer! Okay, so this is the first dirt road that we're going to. Hopefully it's muddy though, so I don't think it's not, but we'll see. Uy. It's not that muddy. Well, where was that road where we went to that it's muddy?
The one at Cape Walls.
Yeah.
That's someone's property though.
It's not that muddy here though. Look at that, guys. Look at that mirror there. It's kind of dirty now. It's just dust, but it's just the dust. There's no mud. What are you trying to do? Holy.
Didn't do it. I was gonna try to spin.
Huh?
I was gonna try to spin, but it didn't spin. I'm spinning forwards. I don't want to do it in reverse.
But you'll get stuck in here. Oh my goodness.
Oh no.
Ooh. All right. If we will get stuck in here, oh well. You can actually see that there.
I don't think it's sunk in.
You guys can see it here in the camera.
It's not mud.
Chunkosaurus.
I need to get my front tire.
Guys, here he comes. Here's the... Oh god. Here's the dirt road. We'll see. We'll see, guys. Oh shit! Oh my god! Baby Poopa! Poor Jane! Oh, that's cool! Holy moly! Oh my god! Summer! If you see this, this is what happens. And now he's turning back. And now he's turning back. Oh, holy. Oh god, here he comes. Here he comes. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh my goodness, no! Holy shit. Oh my god. It's kind of dirty now. It's kind of dirt. Oh my god. Bailey. Jesus Christ. And here he comes again.
No,
guys.
there's something different this time.
What is this guy planning here? Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's dirty now. Poor Jeep. Oh my god. doing, boy? What are you doing?
Reverse.
What was that? Holy shit! Oh,
Not backwards, really.
can you see that, guys? Look at that. Oh god, I can. Oh my god! And then it turns out there's no car wash. Oh my god! Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, I think I got it dirty enough.
Holy shit. Is this fair? My side is crazy. Ay, nako! Oh my god. Summer. So this is the Jeep looks like. What are they doing? Oh, poor G. Holy not that bad, but it's still muddy. Oh. Still muddy. It's still muddy. Summer. That's a quick trip for the Jeep.
Come on, let's go pick up those thick flowers.
So there's a good deal for the hanging plants here. We're just gonna look for it and we'll see if we can find some good ones.
So all these ones are 2 for 20.
Oh, this is nice. So there's lots of hanging plants. This one's nice.
What do you think of these though?
Huh? I want like lots of colors. Look at this, poor plants. This is not bad. Sa dami-dami ng ano, it's hard to pick.
Oh, I already have to pick the flowers.
Huh? There's lots of choices. It's hard to pick. That's not bad too. There, so we got the good deals there. It's nice. I like this one better. There's lots of there's 3 colors: yellow, purple. So we are on our way to the activity now for car wash, and I can't wait for Summer's reaction. Hello, yeah. Look at that. Okay, guys, here we come. Oh, Summer. Hello.
Lucky I see Summer already.
Okay.
All these cute vehicles are so clean.
Where is Summer? Okay, there is Summer. Oh, Kelly's there. Kelly's there too.
Look at the little boy in the 4-wheeler.
Oh my god. Oh no, they're looking down. They're looking.
Look at Summer's face.
Oh my god.
They don't give her money over there. Oh.
Okay, guys. Look good, Summer. She's embarrassed. She's embarrassed.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Kelly was laughing.
I'll give you the money to hold on to, because I gotta be on your side. Here, I'll give you the. You're gonna be working on ours for a while. They should pull us up to the
Ayan, so the payment is $10 for car wash, but then our vehicle is so dirty, and this fella here feels guilty, so we're gonna pay $30. We're gonna triple the payment for this one. He's doing that just to piss Summer Rain. Oh dear, Summer. Okay, Summer. Hi.
Look, right here. Okay, that's enough now.
No, I just want to get Summer's face. Oh, it's Kelly.
She's gone.
Where is she? It's Summer. So look at the dirt at the back, guys. Their driveway is full of dirt now. Oh, look at you, wee boy.
Are we done?
Okay. Hi, Summer. Why are you scared of me?
We're gonna go.
Okay. I'm gonna do the payment here. You guys are so lucky just sitting here, huh? Here, we're gonna pay extra for that.
Oh, thank you.
Here, more. Thank you.